Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. I am by no means a big YouTuber, and I'm still out here on the grind trying to get to my first 1000 subscribers, but I have surpassed the 100 and the 500 subscriber milestone, and I wanted to discuss how I got there and how much of a struggle it really was, and some methods that work for me. What's good about this method is not only is it completely free, but you don't even need to put out any videos. I'm not going to waste a stupid amount of time talking to you guys and explaining how this is so great. We're just going to get straight into it, and I'm going to show you guys how it's done. As you can see at the time of recording this video, I have 736 subscribers, so this method is clearly worked for me, but there are some bigger things you're going to need to do to get past that 100 subscriber milestone, and I'll cover those in another video. Whilst this method is effective, it's not really my style, but a lot of people go to videos like this talking about how to gain subscribers on YouTube and then go to the comments and put these messages that pass through the bot filter that just say subscribing to anyone who subscribes back. I personally don't like doing this, and as you can see, whilst it does work for a lot of people and it does get their exposure, I don't think it's a very good way to do it, and it's quite scummy. As you can see, people have gone into hard work making these videos and people are just using it to gain subscribers. But equally, I do appreciate it, and it is an effective method, so if you'd like to do and copy and paste something, a message like that, I will leave one in the description below. But this is more my kind of style. I go onto a YouTuber's video that I do actually like, I comment nice and early so I make sure I had notifications on, and I just say that they've inspired me to jump out of my comfort zone and start making my own YouTube videos. This way, I'm not only supporting their content, but I am being honest, and people will go and check out your channel, and that is a way to actually gain active subscribers as well as subscribers in general. But if you'd rather, you could search something on YouTube like how to gain X amount of subscribers or how to grow your channel, and then go on to one of these videos and, like I said, leave one of the comments I was talking about earlier. Something like subscribe to me and I will subscribe back. Whilst it's kind of scummy and will leave you with inactive users, it is effective to get that initial subscriber count up and then potentially getting in more people's recommended. If you have more money to spend, there are really good paid promotion websites, but obviously we're here working on a budget of nothing, so I think this is one of the best ways to do it, is use another person's audience to help yourself. And this way you gain active subscribers, potentially not just people who are botting you just so they can get subscribers as well, because a big subscriber count and then a channel that gets no views, that won't help you get into the YouTube's algorithm and get more views. You want an active subscriber base, and that's what helps you. But as you know, the YouTube algorithm does work in weird ways, and a big reason people are trying to get to their first 1000 subscribers is because that is where you're able to start earning money from YouTube. Your first 100 subscribers is really important because that is where you suddenly feel like you're going to get the ball rolling. You can start getting in people's recommended, and the YouTube algorithm finally starts accepting you with open arms. Also, people start to take your channel more seriously. A lot of people think if they have a very small amount of subscribers, people won't even bother subscribing, they almost pity you. But if you have at least 100 subscribers, you look like you're at least doing something right. If you pair this method with active videos, maybe come up with an upload schedule, make good high quality content, and I'm sure it won't be long, guys, before you finally get that audience you're hoping for. This method will draw people into your channel. They'll take a look. If they see you're actually making some decent videos, they'll probably leave a sub and watch your videos and become an active subscriber. I'd love to know if this works out for you like it did for me, so if it did, please comment down below and let me know. Make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Peace.